Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi there, in this video we are going to look at the phonetic chart. I am Fitri Haryati from English Department 2. At first it looks like a meaningless collection of symbols, but each symbol represents a different sound. In spoken form, most of the English language can be broken down into 44 separate sounds. The phonetic chart shows us how those sounds relate to each other. There are three sections to the chart. The first section is single vowels or monophthongs in green. The second section is diphthong in red. And the third section is consonant in blue. Everyone, at the first section is single vowel sounds. There are also sometimes called monophthongs. We think about the alphabet, we normally think of there being 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. However, there are many ways that these letters are pronounced. So pronunciation is very inconsistent. This makes things difficult when learning English, especially as in many other languages of the vowel sounds are pronounced more consistent with how they are spelled. In the top row we have the sounds E, U, and U. With all the sounds, the mouth is almost closed and the sound is made at the top of mouth. That is why they are on the top row. On the second row, we have the sounds E, and O. Now, it's open a little more and it feels like a stripe on top of the sounds middle of the mouth. They are on the middle row. On the bottom row, we have the sounds A, and O. To make the sounds, our mouths almost should be wide open and it feels like the sound is coming from the bottom of the mouth. That is why they are on the bottom now. The columns are also important because they give us an idea of the position of the tongue. With the left column, the tongue is at the front. E, A, and A. And then moving back a little, E, and A. And then back a little more, U, and O. On our charts, there is the section in red. Diphthongs are also vowel sounds, but they are combination of two vowel sounds that appear together within the same syllable, production a unique sound. They are arranged according to the second sound. In the first column, we have the sounds. First, U and O. In the second column, we have the E sounds. We should know that symbols for the diphthongs are written with the E symbol, but the sound is often too longer but similar. For example, E, A, Oi, and I. And the third column we have the U symbol. Again, sometimes the second is more similar to the longer U. O and Ow. The third section is the consonant sounds. The first two rows are sometimes called consonant pairs. This is because the sounds of each pair are produced in a very similar way. The only difference is B is voice, which means that we use our vocal cords to produce the sounds. If you feel your neck when you say the sound, you should feel some vibration. Okay. Now if you say p, if you say it correctly, you will not feel that vibration. The same is true of the neck fair. Okay. D, 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 and ch, z, ch, z, ch, z, and then g, 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 and then v, 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 and then j, 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 and then sh, z, sh, z, sh, z, and then sh, z, and then sh, z, sh, z. Okay. Finally, in the bottom we have the single consonant. Okay. O, and Z. Okay, so you can see now that the phonetic chart is not just a random collection of symbols, but useful tool learning correct pronunciation. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.